Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about how to add scripts in Shopify Plus. So first thing, you got to go to apps, and then on the search bar just search on Shopify Script Editor app and download it. But keep in mind that you should have a plan, and also on June 30th, 2026, Shopify scripts will be removed and will no longer work. Migrate your existing scripts to Shopify functions before this date. So just keep in mind. So now when you have downloaded your app, when you create or edit a script, you choose whether it will run in your store only or in your online store and in the following apps. So custom apps built with storefront API, JavaScript by SDK, mobile by SDKs, Android and iOS. Custom apps that generate checkouts, tap chart, global apps, and Pajero. These are mobile app builders. Thanks for watching.